Friends, after a very long time, I am once again with you. The pandemic surge is going on in the entire country. Delhi and Mumbai has become hub of it. Lucknow, many cities of Gujarat, etc. is also facing the same kind of problem. Let me share my real life experience with you. In mid of 1996, I suffered a serious health problem, and the health problem which could not be detected and diagnosed by the doctor for almost 6 months, and then I had to put on bed rest for almost 1.5 years. Problem started in 1995 and continued for entire 1996 also. During that period, I, how I revived, I want to share with me, so that many of my friends who is suffering because of this pandemic can also take the same kind of steps. I wrote number of poems. I read number of materials while lying down on the bed. One of this, the poem I wrote, which was aired on 7th February 1997 on All India Radio also. I have given the title of that, Let Bygones Be Bygones. I was having a hope like many others have in my life. But it was not a fantasy, it was a hope which I wanted to see into reality. Like in past many others I had seen in my life. But this was to be done by hook, not by crooks. All of a sudden, a storm came in my life which had not only taken away my this hope, but also hope of I to live my life. As it was quite obvious, this perturbed me. Therefore, I had started doing many. I had abandoned my this hope and first started to fight and to revive to hope to live my life. Oh, thank God, now storm has almost weakened, though not yet stopped, but it succeed to spoil my that hope to serve the nation with special kind of service. Nevertheless, it is not less important for me to get success in hope to live my life. It is just like a renunciation in my life. Notwithstanding, I have lost my most beautiful way to live my life. Nevertheless, I am happy to foresee my life again as normal as it was. And my this happiness could not be measured, it only can be pleasured, particularly when I have the company of friends like you. What a new hope now I shall have in my life. I wanted to leave this rest on my time to come and decide. Thank you, friends. The day it was 1996 7, and now I am in 2021, and all you know, the rest of my life has decided by the God. Therefore, friends, don't accuse, don't make sarcastic remarks against public administration, those who are ruling this country or the state. These kind of pandemic is beyond the imagination of anyone. Therefore, all kind of facilities whatever our country has will fall short of. When I alone fight much bigger battle than this pandemic in my life, I wrote this poem, and I'm sure many of the contents of this poem you will realize today may be useful or may be right for many of the peoples, those who are facing this pandemic. I got call, I received messages from many of my friends those who are suffering from this pandemic. I pray to the God everyone should stay happy, keep their morale very high. Everything will be set right. It is we should leave everything on the God. And thank you very much. I will once again meet you very soon. Thank you.